Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making mermaid lanterns. And we're putting them together with a new glue from Eclectic Products called E6000 Plus. And we're also using Americana acrylics and craft twinkles. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some mermaid lanterns. Battery-operated tea lights are super safe and they always look great, so pick up a package of those and you're good to go. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Home Decor and I will see you next week. Bye!